SSH in it, bitch. Good vacation vibes. Good vacation vibe, bitch. I'm on vacation, cool and vibing. Big vacation vibe. SSH in the chat. Y'all boys already know what time it is. Boys already know what the fuck going on. Big SSH vibe. Wait till these videos drop. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Cooling. But this vacation was amazing. Best thing. Hold on. Vacation was amazing. Honestly. Vacation been fucking great. Low-key just filmed me a little porno. Hold on, look at this shit. Look how I got the camera set up, man. Low-key just filmed some OnlyFans content for y'all. Low-key. Nah, I'm joking. Bro, I ain't gonna cap the video that I'm filming right here. I feel like y'all gonna like this, man. Y'all gonna fuck with it. For real. Yeah. What? Huh? Nah, but, bro, y'all just wait, man. I can't wait to drop the videos for y'all. I had a lot of fun on this vacation. No cap. Vacation, yeah. Bro, the reason why I keep laying this shit is because I already know when I put my mouth on it, it's not going to be lit. See? The fuck? And low key? Sorry, bro. I keep getting fucking weed in my fucking mouth. But it should be getting me too fucking hot. No cap. The story time with Chris was so lit. Bro, story ain't over just yet. It ain't over. Lit as fuck, you geek, yeah. Nah, I ain't even smoke yet. I'm on a smoke right now. Hey, but the vacation been fucking amazing. All of SSH really worked. I'm really excited just to put out videos because I've been working my fucking ass off. No cap. Oh my fucking God. Bro. Oh my fucking God.